How to send Facebook Messenger voice message. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On Facebook Messenger, you're not only able to send text message, but along with that, you're also able to send voice messages. So if you want to learn how you can send voice messages on Facebook Messenger, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to open up a conversation where you want to send the voice message. Here, if you want to send a normal message, you can do so. However, sometimes texting is simply not possible. If that is the case, you can send voice clips. For that, you have this microphone icon. Tap on that icon and your voice will start recording. Tap on the pause icon once you have been satisfied with the recording. Then from here you can preview your recording. If you want to delete it, tap on the trash can icon. Tap on this icon if you want to record some more audio. Then you can simply add more audio clip. After that is done, tap on the send option, and once you do that, your voice clip will be successfully sent. Now, sometimes you might send mistaken audio clips. If that is the case, you can also unsend it. For that, tap and hold on the audio clip and tap on more. Now tap on remove. From here, select the option of unsend. Once you tap on that option, your audio clip will be unsent. And this is how you can send Facebook Messenger voice message. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.